Hey you guys. Literally me. I'm Bunny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I say stuff, and sometimes I do stuff. Guys, I am so excited for today's video. Oh my gosh, because I got a bunch of designer dupe accessories from DHgate. They were arriving one by one, but I wanted to do one video on all of them at once, and I want to use these things. So I can't wait to get through this video so I can actually use all the stuff I got. Oh, this is so exciting. Okay. All of these items that I purchased were about $25 or under. Now, I'm going to show the price that I paid for each as I show them, but I went back onto DHgate and I saw that some of the prices had fluctuated. One of the pairs of sunglasses that I got, I paid 25 something for, and when I got it, I was like, oh my God, these are so nice. And I want to go get another pair. And then they were up to $52. And I was like, damn it. Then I just checked before I filmed this video and they were back down to 30. So if you want any of these items, I have them all linked below. Check on the pricing to see where they're at. I'm guessing it fluctuates with supply and demand. I am so excited to get into these. We're gonna go kind of functional to fun because the first two things might be boring to some people, but I love them. So the very first thing that I ordered was a AirPods Pro holder case by Prada. And this is an actual thing that Prada makes. So of course I looked at the genuine one on the website, compared it to what photos I could find on DHgate. It was under 20 bucks, so I was like, fuck it, I'm just gonna order it and see. It is so super cute. It is adorable. It's a little faux leather case with the Prada logo on it. It's got the hole on the bottom for charging. You just snap it open. It's got the key ring and holder on the back. I've got my AirPod Pros in here. I'm going to set them in there, and then that is how you can utilize this. How adorable is this? I am so in love. The next item is also a Prada item. I'm a Prada fan, if you can't tell. I've got my actual genuine Prada up there, which is a little small. I think we've had this discussion before. So I wanted to buy a card holder as a wallet for that bag because I cannot fit my normal wallet in there. If you saw my last video, I am using the DHgate Gucci bag that I got, and that also is too small for my normal wallet. So I have been carrying around this Chanel card holder, which I am beating the fuck out of. It needs some love. I did get a Prada card wallet. This one was around 25 bucks. It did come with the gift box. I did look it up online. This is a product that Prada actually makes, and it is very similar to the original. So as you can see, it does have the little Prada logo on the front. It's got 3 card holders on the front, 3 card holders on the back, and it does open to put your bills. For 25 bucks and you got the gift box, I ain't complaining about it. Okay, moving away from the boring things that I need to use in my life, let's go to the fun ones. This first pair of sunglasses are by Gucci. I tried to find the originals online of these ones, but let me tell you, Gucci has a shit ton of sunglasses, and I got bored after looking for a couple minutes, and I was like, you know what? These are so awesome. I don't even care if I can compare them to the real ones or not because I like them so much. I got these for around 25 bucks. When I bought them, the all black pair were sold out, which I was kind of bummed about, but the only pair they had left were the brown pair, and I was like, well, I'll take a brown pair, no big deal. Man, I was surprised when these things came. I've already opened them, but they did come in this box, and I'm going to show you all the pieces that came with it, even though it was packaged a little bit differently, you know. So, of course, there is this beautiful purple Gucci dust bag, and if we open it up, we've got a very beautiful purple Gucci sunglass case. I love me a good reveal. Woo! There we go. We've got a Gucci sunglass case. It also comes with a lens cleaning cloth and the registration information. Now, I did find somebody that posted their actual pair against these pairs, and I think the only difference was in their glasses case, the Gucci was a tiny bit smaller. No big deal. Oh my gosh, I love these sunglasses. So they are all plastic, and you can see I got the brown color. They've got the Gucci logos on both sides. They have on the inside, it says Gucci made in Italy, and it's got the little Gucci logo up in the corner. These are lightweight, they're not heavy, but I like that. And also I like that the nose bridge is kind of wide. So, oh my gosh. I love these things. I want them in the black so bad. Sorry, I'm trying not to get the ring light in for you. For this type of sunglasses, the presentation that it comes in with the case, the dust bag, I mean, for around 20 bucks, what an amazing gift, right? Like I would love to get something like this. I don't care if it's a fake or not. This is a dupe. Who cares? I love this, love these sunglasses. So that was a big win. All right, the final item, another pair of sunglasses, but oh boy. I already did open this, but I wanted to show you how this was packed because the seller did an amazing job in how this was packed. So it did come in this box. Now this box was actually wrapped in like a gray plastic. When you open it up, there's a piece of styrofoam like this, and then the box, yes, it's a Chanel pair. Oh my Lord, these are like freaking stunning. Okay, so then there was another piece of styrofoam on the bottom, bubble wrapped. Look at how stunning this gift box is. Like, oh my gosh, right? Again, around 25 bucks. So let's open her up. So when you open up this box, you do get the sunglasses case. It does come with a lens cleaning cloth, kind of registration information, and an authenticity card. And you go ahead and you open up this beautiful Chanel glasses case. It's got the quintessential quilt pattern with the little Chanel logo at the bottom. Beautiful glasses case. Let's go ahead and open these up. Oh yeah, I forgot. I didn't take the plastic off. But guys, like even the piece that's underneath this one is wrapped so that it doesn't get damaged. But seriously guys, look how fabulous these are. So these are the Chanel pearl sunglasses. So they've got a pearl with the Chanel logo on each side. The Chanel logo on the inside there, and then they've also got it up in the corner. Oh my gosh. So these are some black sunglasses. Ooh boy, these are super, super cute. Right up my alley. They're little oversized, but not like too big, and they're black, and they've got just the nice little detail of the pearl. Now, when I searched for these online, I did find this pair in silver. They are very, very similar. I mean, the only difference is this color is not silver, it is gold. But how gorgeous are these sunglasses inside this gorgeous Chanel case? Inside yet another beautiful Chanel gift box for about 25 bucks. This as a gift, I don't care if it's a fake. If I got this, I'd be like, fuck yeah, buddy. I am going to sport these all of the time. In summary, I spent under $100 for all of this stuff. I've got the Gucci sunglasses in the beautiful presentation case. I got the Chanel glasses that I mean are even more fabulous than I could have even imagined. I got the Prada Pro AirPods case and the Prada card wallet that, I mean, I cannot complain about anything that I received in this haul. It has been amazing and I cannot wait to use this stuff. Everything is linked below. Keep a watch on the prices. I think actually the last time I looked at this one even went to less than what I paid for it before. So again, just keep an eye out. Also, I am going to link the video with the instructions on my Louis Vuitton Never Full dupe giveaway. So she's right here. I'm just going to show her again one more time. I'm also giving away 2 of my low-end DH Gate bags if you are interested in that. Again, I'll link that video down below. If you could like this video, it really does help me out, or dislike it so that I can tell if you're having a good time or not. If you could subscribe so you can follow all of my shopping antics and keep up to date on the giveaways that I'm doing. That's all I have for you. I love you so much, and I will see you on the next one.